right.
Okay, I'm next.
All right. So what we have is the glue sponge, and I'm gonna do a little demo. So you take the sponge, you just take your material, you press. I might be heavy-handed today. And then what it does is it leaves a little fine film, and you just glue it down. Take your next one, do the same thing, just do a little press. And you can glue that right down on top of that. And then your small one. Uh-oh, did I get, oh, there it is. I thought I had redstone. And then, oh, I'm gonna take this. And you take your little tool, press. Pick it up. And stick. And then you have a nice, easy, quick, clean way to glue.
Right, and how long do you think that lasts before it dries out?
Okay, so depending on how much you use it, I've used it for 2 days and it's still good and wet. So it should last up to 12 months as long as you do some maintenance. I do have instructions on maintenance on the back. So you want to burp it, make sure you get your air out, and leave it turned over. That way the top of your sponge will stay wet all the time. If you get down to those little tiny last drops, you want to get it out. It's a water-based glue, so you can spritz some water, and it revives the sponge and the glue.
Okay, and you're willing to work with our Sierra Pacific craft group and do the show special for 1 week after the show?
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And they just give you a call.
Nice.